Hey guys, so after a long time I'm back here with another new exciting video. And in this video we'll be trying out the MIUI 10 on our OnePlus 5T. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for the installation you need this file, that is the MIUI 10 version 8.6.12, which is the latest one as of now. Those who are encrypted, back up all of your data cause you are about to lose all of your data. For this ROM to be installed, we need the 5.1.12 firmware files to be flashed first, then the ROM. All the links will be in the description, so do check them out. So meanwhile, I just flashed the TWRP and will be back in the video by just booting into TWRP. So right now, as you can see that I have already booted into the TWRP. So the first thing I'll need to do is I'll go to wipe and I'll just format data and I'll just type yes and press the tick button. So this will format all of our data. And after this, what you're gonna do is press back, go back, once again, reboot to the recovery again. Just give it some time to boot up. Once we are booted up, what we'll do is we'll just go to wipe, go to advanced wipe, Dalvik, cache, system and data. The first 4 partitions. Don't touch the internal storage once again, or else there is a chance of breaking of your device. Now just try to wipe. So once we have wiped everything, what you're gonna do is we'll just copy the firmware file and the ROM file onto the phone. So I have just copied those 2 files. So these are the 2 files which we'll need for the installation. One is the firmware file and another is the ROM file. So the first thing we'll do is we'll just flash the OxygenOS firmware. And once it is done, we'll just press the back and just flash the ROM. So as you can see that the flash has been completed, so we'll just simply reboot the system. So we'll just wait till it boots up. So as you guys can see that we have just successfully booted into MIUI 10. So let me just quickly finish up the introductory setup. So after I completed the initial setups, I have just also added my fingerprint. So as you can see that the moment I tap it gets unlocked. So that's a nice feature. The dash charge is also working perfectly fine. I just tested it right now and it works perfectly fine. Talking about the VoLTE calls, let me just make a call and show it to you.
Welcome to Geo Bangla Chono. At Tipu. Hindi के लिए 2 दबाएं. To continue in English, press 3.
So as you can see that the VoLTE calls are also working perfectly fine. Now talking about the camera, my camera works. Let me just click a photo, but sometimes it doesn't. So like this it gives a camera error, but if we just remove the recents and just try again, let's see if it works or not. Yeah, it works. So here is the photo itself, but a bit blurry and the image processing is very bad. Here's also the OnePlus camera, but it doesn't work. It seems to be broken totally. If you click a photo, it will show you no photos right now, and after that it doesn't work at all. There are a lot of Chinese bloatwares which I guess I can remove it by using zip bloatware. I haven't tried it yet because I thought that will be buggy, and if I am able to do that, then I'll just post the zip file link down in the description. That will be an aroma installer, or just will remove all of the Chinese apps from here. So that's a pretty good thing. Installing Play Store I'll just make another dedicated video regarding installing Play Store on the build. So as of now, thank you for watching the video. This is up to it, and if you guys like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, have a nice day.